Welcome to Day 1. Today you build a real professional developer environment from scratch. Versus Code is the world's most popular editor. Download and install it now. Add ESLint, Prettier, and Git Lens. 3 extensions every professional developer uses daily. Learn 10 keyboard shortcuts today. They will triple your coding speed immediately. Git tracks every single change you make to your code. It is essential. Init, add, commit, push. Master these 4 commands and you own version control. The terminal is where real development happens. Stop avoiding it. Start using it. Navigate folders, create files, and run programs without ever touching your mouse. Node.js lets you run JavaScript outside the browser on any machine anywhere. NPM gives you 2 million open source packages. Never rebuild what already exists. GitHub Copilot is an AI that writes code alongside you in real time. Research proves Copilot users complete tasks 55% faster. Activate it today. Your Day 1 deliverable is a live portfolio site deployed to GitHub pages. Write HTML, commit the code, push. It goes live on the internet in minutes. Open Versus Code. Make your first commit. We will see you on Day 2.